Offerup is a mobile-first marketplace where users can buy and sell a variety of new and used goods. Unlike platforms like eBay, Offerup focuses on facilitating in-person transactions between both buyers and sellers within the same location. However, users have the option to ship items nationwide. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible even for those new to buying and selling online. To start using Offerup, users need to download the app on a smartphone or a tablet and create a profile. While Offerup does have a website where users can browse listings, some features are only accessible through the app itself. Creating an account involves choosing a username, setting up a profile picture, and providing basic contact information. Users are encouraged to choose a clear profile picture and a descriptive username that inspires trust in potential buyers. Buying and selling Offerup is Offerup's primary function, and it's connecting local buyers and sellers. Users can browse through a feed of listed items or search for specific products. When a buyer finds an item that they are interested in, they can contact the seller directly through the app to ask any questions or negotiate a price. For local transactions, buyers and sellers typically arrange to meet in a public place to exchange the item for cash or whatever payment method. Offerup suggests meeting in public areas during daylight hours, and they also have recommended meeting spots like police stations or libraries. Listing an item on Offerup is pretty straightforward. Sellers need to provide a title, price, and location for their listing and can add optional details like the item's condition, color, or brand. To make listings more appealing to buyers, sellers should include high-quality photos of the item from multiple angles and write clear, detailed descriptions that highlight the item's key features. Offerup is free to use for local, in-person transactions. Sellers can list items and communicate with buyers and arrange meetups without incurring any charges. However, Offerup does offer additional paid features, including nationwide shipping, item promotions, and Offerup Premium, which provides an ad-free experience and exclusive member benefits. For items that are shipped, Offerup charges a service fee of 12.9% of the final price or $199, whichever is greater. To maximize your success on Offerup, sellers should price their items competitively, respond to buyer inquiries promptly, and be willing to negotiate. Building a good reputation by providing accurate item descriptions, clear communication, and a smooth transaction process can lead to positive reviews and attract more buyers.